In about 7 hours, statewide restrictions will be lifted in Missouri, meaning the state will fully reopen. But as 41 Action's reporter Emma James explains, counties and cities in the metro may still face restrictions.
Several counties in Missouri tell me they are following the state's orders. However, they will still continue to closely monitor the number of cases and decide if they need to make any changes themselves.
I understand everyone's desire to get back to normal, but we unfortunately aren't living in really normal times.
Cass County Health Director Andrew WARLEN says his county will follow Missouri and lift all restrictions Tuesday. He says the county will make future decisions based on the data.
If it makes sense for us to do an order because we're seeing increase or a surge in cases in certain environments, we'll look at that.
In Independence, the city is still in its phase 1 with restrictions on city facilities and gathering limits. Mayor EILEEN WEIR says a recent outbreak serves as a reminder. Now is no time to ease up on best practices.
We just will, as everybody is, continue to see if there are spikes in cases, in hospitalizations, and if we are able to manage those.
Dr. Dana Hawkinson with the University of Kansas Medical Center calls the rise in numbers across the nation scary. He says social distancing will play a huge role this summer.
I think the other day I saw 2 million cases at least. It's probably over that now. That's still less than 1% of the total population, so you still have quite a bit of a susceptible population.
As counties ease restrictions, health officials worry people will ease up on wearing masks and social distancing.
We all need to take care of each other and be considerate and try to stop the spread any way we can.
In Kansas City, Emma James, 41 Action News.
Platte County will have 50% indoor occupancy limitations. Jackson County remains in phase 2 with no date announced yet for phase 3. Kansas City, Missouri will continue its 50% occupancy restriction until at least July 5th. Right now, Wyandotte County in phase 3 of reopening. The county following the state's Ad Astra plan, which serves as guidelines for local counties. Wyandotte County will be in phase 3 through at least June 22nd. Johnson County has encouraged people and businesses to follow the state's plan, but it's not mandatory.